Okay, so the probability that a visit to a primary care physician's office results in neither lab work nor referral to a specialist is 0.35. So the probability that there is no lab work and there is no referral to a specialist is 0.35. The probability, okay, of those coming to a PCP's office, 30% are referred to a specialist. So the probability that referred to a specialist is 0.3. And 40% require lab work. So the probability of L, lab work, is 0.4. Calculate the probability that a visit to a PCP's office results in both lab work and a referral to a specialist. So we want the probability of L and S. Okay, so from this equation, right, I know 0.35 is equal to the probability of L complement intersection S complement. And I know that L complement intersection S complement is the same thing as L union S complement, which is the same thing as 1 minus the probability of L union S. So this gives me that 0.35 is equal to 1 minus the probability of L union S. So if I add L union S to both sides and subtract 0.35 from both sides, I get probability of L union S is equal to 0.65. So now that the probability of L union S is equal to probability of L plus probability of S minus the probability of L intersection S, right? If I were to draw a little diagram, a Venn diagram here, right? I have L, and S. So the probability of L union S is this space here, right? Everything inside here. So I know that L union S is L plus S, and then notice I added their intersection twice. So that means I just have to subtract their intersection once to get this whole space, right? This whole area. So I know that L union S is 0.65. I know that L is 0.4. I know that S is 0.3. And I know L intersection S, well, I don't know L intersection S. That's what I'm looking for, right? But I have all the pieces needed in order to find L intersection S. So if I add L intersection S to both sides, I get probability of L intersection S. And if I subtract 0.65 from both sides, I get, so 0.4 plus 0.3 is 0.7. 0.7 minus 0.65 is 0.05. So I know the probability of that a visit to a PCP's office results in both lab work and referral to a specialist will be 0.05.